Hi, this is the presentation to introduce chatbot project to related senior leadership team to get this project approved. Since the term artificial intelligence was coined back in 1956, there have been many attempts to provide a great definition of AI. AI is the design and development of computer systems that have the knowledge and skills required to perform the tasks which usually require human intelligence to undertake. It's a set of algorithms and intelligence to try to mimic human intelligence, and machine learning is one of them. Simply put, machine learning feeds the computer data and uses statistical techniques to help it learn how to get progressive back at a task without having been specifically programmed for that task and eliminating the need for millions of lines of written code. Machine learning has two types. One is supervised learning and the other one is unsupervised. It, it helps human competence in a wide range of tasks. In the real world, AI is applied to different fields. For higher education, it can help to recognize the student and to generate the student ID automatically. It can help library staff to purchase best fit books for student study. Of course, it can be used to analyze these student satisfaction through their feedback walls. Our university is aiming to be a better and more attractive place for students. There are three strategic points are in high priority. Improve the student satisfaction, drive the student enrollment, and at the same time reduce administrative costs. To achieve these tasks, um, we choose student querying service as the first step because it's the first layer to connect the student and it can impact the student experience straight away. And the reason why we choose AI because for the whole organization we have a um, like a very deep strategic roadmap, and we think this is can be a really solid base for the further step development in AI. And also, this piece of jigsaw can help us understand better. Ethical concerns inevitably arise with any technological innovation. Without exemption, the development and application of conversational AI raises various ethical questions. For example, collecting user data raises many privacy concerns, some of which are legal basis and covered by data protection. And those concerns can be questions like what data is collected, who has access to it, how long the data is stored, where and what such data is used for. Also, transparency about agent status as automatic and the limitations of its capability, for example, is essentially in order to allow users to make informed choices, which further contributes to users' trust. Recent work has shown that users behave and interact differently when conversing with an automatic agent comparing to interacting with a human. If the user are aware that, then they might be able to make informed decisions with regards to their own behavior. As Moshe Karan, CTO of Nest Digital Engineering, says, any AI initiative requires a marriage between IT experts and a domain expert. So generally speaking, a proper AI team, we need someone who understands the business process critical to establishing real-world scenarios and variable outcomes. someone who understands analytics, and someone who understands data, and the final someone can be a AI architect who knows how to put analytics in action for outcomes. So we need roles like data scientist, data analytics, data engineering, product designer who can be the product owner, project manager, uh, AI sociologists, lawyer, and of course subject matter experts. It claimed that chatbots increase customer engagement, improve the brand experience, and deliver actionable insight to the business. So why there are so many chatbots failing to deliver on their potential? The answer lies in the restrictive nature of most chatbot technology. Few chatbots offer the rich human-like conversation needed to engage users, nor can they guide off-topic users back to the subject at hand. They can't ask qualifying questions if clarification is required, and they are not able to deliver over the different channels and languages by which customers want to communicate, adding a lack of intelligent interaction by the chatbot and confusion over data ownership. It's no wonder Gartner expects that 40% of chatbots launched in 2080 will be abandoned by 2020. Lastly, we have some key performance indicators to track the success of this project. We are expecting the student satisfaction review rate increase from 3.5 to 4.0, and also the man-hour to supply this service will reduce by 80%. Correspondingly, the cost of it will reduce by 40%. From the functional view, we expect this chatbot will give the response for 75% of the inquiries within 5 minutes. And also this chatbot will be available 40 hours, 7 days a week for the whole year. And potentially, we are looking forward to 2% increase in student retention. Thank you.